Okay, I think we're live, and today we are joined by the wonderful ensemble of power tools. So I'm just going to have to see how this runs, and I may have to redo this live. Anyway, hi, I'm Tim Cooper, and good morning, afternoon, evening, night, wherever you reside on this amazing planet of ours. We do have a bit of a different angle set up here. I'm using my studio mic today because where I live, we've had construction going for 18 months. It's very tiring. I mean, it's right inside the complex where I live. I live in a high rise and the whole place shakes. And they promised that the construction was going to be done by Christmas 2018. It's now the middle of August 2019, and we're still getting this. So it's very tiring, it's very draining, and it's very difficult when you work from home and you create content like this. It's just crazy. But anyway, so hopefully what's going to happen is that this microphone is hopefully going to minimize all that drilling and shuddering going on in the background, and we can continue on. If this becomes totally unbearable to listen to, I'll just have to reshoot this tomorrow. Okay. But anyway, talking about essential oils, and probably the only thing that's keeping my sanity now with 18 months of construction going on in my building is probably down to a lot of the essential oils just keeping me calm and focused and on level. Anyway, so today I want to talk to you about an amazing essential oil, and it's probably known as the go-to oil. Like there's a saying, when in doubt, use frankincense, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about the wonderful world of frankincense. Now, if you like this information, if you find it useful, please like, share, and comment. Get the word out there about what we're doing here. Okay, so frankincense is just one of those oils that has been used since ancient times. It appears in writings dating back thousands of years, and it's an amazing oil. And I couldn't possibly go into all the benefits and all the uses in this short time we have together, but it's one of the oils that I do use every day. So I'll just sort of go through my usage of it and explain why I use it. And I love it. I mean, once again, this is one of those oils that I always have a bottle of. So the simplest way, of course, that I use it is I just take 1 or 2 drops under the tongue morning and night. And once again, we come back to saying, yes, this one is actually safe to take internally. It says on the back of the bottle, it's for flavoring use to dilute 1 drop in food or liquid. So when the directions say it's okay to take internally, it's okay. But once again, follow the instructions. If your instructions don't say take internally, then don't, because it's probably got something else in there that isn't good for you. Okay. So that's the quickest way that I take it. I personally don't mind the taste. I put it underneath the tongue. That's like a homeopathic way to take things, because there's big blood vessels underneath there and it gets into your system very quickly. That's why everything eventually gets processed by the liver, but you can sometimes bypass the liver by taking things like this, so it gets into your bloodstream first, and then it will finally go through and go through your liver. But you can just get sort of more of the stuff into your blood quicker that way. What on earth is happening here? See, that's just putting me off. Okay, so that's one way. Just straight out of the bottle and into the mouth. Now, if you don't like the taste, once again, the other day I was talking about taking it in gel caps, and I showed you a gel and veggie cap. That's another way. You can put 2 or 3 drops into a gel cap and take it down. It is great. It actually supports, once again, this one basically supports everything, and it amplifies. It's a real synergistic essential oil. So it just puts every other essential oil that you use on steroids, and just really amplifies the support and benefits of everything. So it is a crazy, amazing essential oil. I know there's been lots of claims about what it can do and can't do, and we're not going into that because we're not allowed to make claims. But as far as what the research says and what we can say is that, yes, it is known to support a healthy GI tract and digestive system. Okay, very important. That's some of my major problems. It can help cellular function. So it helps protect your cells and that sort of stuff. Really, really great support for the body in general. Like, you could mention one body system and you say, yes, it helps support that. Yes, it helps support the respiratory system. Yes, it helps support your mood. It helps support your liver, like everything. It is just an amazing oil. Okay. Now it's also great for the skin. Okay. And as I said in a few lives back, one way that I use it once again every day is I make up a blend. It started off just with 3 oils, and over the period of a couple of years, I've just added in a couple more oils, but it still has 3 main oils and then a couple of other oils just to sort of add some oomph. And the blend is basically equal parts frankincense, lavender, and lemon. And then I put some helichrysum and some what's it called, kabaya or copabia, whatever it is. I'll have to go back and check that pronunciation. Feel a bit of a nong. But anyway, so basically, say into a 15 ml bottle, I'll put say 50 drops each of frankincense, lavender, and lemon, and then I'll put 20 drops each of the other 2. Okay, give it a bit of a shake, and then after my shower in the morning, I'll put a blob of hand and body lotion, like doTERRA hand and body lotion, and 3 or 4 drops of that blend. So I don't actually mix it into a carrier oil. They're all neat, straight oils in that blend. I'll put 3 or 4 drops of that into the palm of my hand, give it a rub, and then rub it all over my face. Okay, and once again, that's just to help support my skin and just give it a bit of a revitalization after all the sun damage it's had over all the many long years it's been exposed to this world. And JD says my absolute favorite. If I can't have anything else but one, it's frankincense. Yeah, I mean that's it. And I mean, frankincense does it. I mean, just overall, it's just an amazing oil. It's great. I said it's great for the mood. You can rub it on the soles of the feet to help you sort of relax and chill out. The other thing too is that it does actually help the musculoskeletal system. So at one point I'll talk about a fantastic blend, called ice blue or deep blue, depends on where you are in the world. But I said, when I was in private practice, I used to make up my own blends to help assist the muscular system. And one of the components in that was actually frankincense. And I'll probably give you the recipe for one of my pain blends at some time during these lives. So stay tuned for that, because they work really, really well to help alleviate the symptoms of that occasional pain and discomfort we can experience when we're exercising or active. Okay, so but once again, frankincense it's just an amazing supportive oil that you should all. I mean, this is one of those staples. It's something that you should have and take daily. And the easiest way to take daily is obviously orally. It does help support the immune system. Like I said, there's not a system in the body that frankincense can't have some sort of positive effect on. So, do your research. Watch out for claims, though. Don't watch out for the hype. It is an amazing oil, but let's keep it real. And that's it for today. Now, once again, if you want to get your hands on some samples, so if you live in Australia and you want to experience these amazing oils for yourself, just go to samples.pureessentials.store, request your samples. I'll get in contact with you, and we can work out what the best samples are to support you in whatever health challenge you may be experiencing, or friends or family or whatever. Okay, we'll get that out, because we don't just want to send you a random oil. We want to ensure that what we're sending you is actually going to be beneficial. And then, of course, if you want to discuss things at a better level, then you can message me, and you can message me at, I might have to take this one off first and come to this one. You can message me at m.me/Tim Cooper Health. Okay, and I'll be happy to discuss things in greater detail with you and work out what, if any, essential oils may assist and support you at whatever level that that you're looking at. So once again, when it comes to your health and wellness, it all comes down to healthy choices. And one thing by itself just doesn't do it. Okay. You've got to, like, yes, essential oils is one key part, but so is a healthy diet, so is exercise, so is a healthy mind. So just doing all those things, overall, they're just the bits and pieces of the puzzle to a happier, healthier life. Now, once again, if you like this, please, whoa, that's huge. What happened there? Please like, share, and comment below. We might actually go for something smaller. Okay, give us some love. And yeah, so if there's any essential oils that you would like me to talk about, please put them in the comments below. Any questions at all, please put them in the comments or message me. And I may or may not see you back here tomorrow if this drilling is still going on. I don't know whether you've heard it. I hope not. I hope this microphone has negated a lot of it, because if you were hearing it, it would be driving you insane. And that's only for 10 minutes. This has been going for 18 months. But anyway, that's it for the day. Take care. And yeah, once again, start to consider how you can use these amazing natural remedies in your home to help support you, your family, your pets, your plants. Clean living. You can actually use these essential oils, not necessarily frankincense. I wouldn't use frankincense in cleaning, but you could actually you can actually use these essential oils, these very cost-effective essential oils, to clean, keep the environment safe, not putting toxins out there, keep you safe, not coming in contact with so many toxins, and just once again, just really looking towards a clean life. Hey, Linda, you're on from Houston Heights. Welcome. We're just about to wrap today's session up. But once again, also thank you, Linda, for all your support. Linda's great. She gets on there all the time and shares and likes my posts all over the place and helps me get out and about and get seen. So I really appreciate all the support that Linda gives me. But yeah, if you want to learn about frankincense, just go back and watch the replay from the start. Okay, now my screen's just gone absolutely funky. Okay, guys, so that's it for the day. Once again, as I said, hopefully there's no drilling tomorrow, and awesome. Okay, so you can't hear it. That's awesome, because yeah, as I said, that's why I've gone, because this microphone is what we call a special studio microphone, so it only picks up what's in front of it, so it shouldn't pick up what's out there. That's why I had to sort of change my setup. So maybe that's what I've got to do. It's pretty clever. I mean, technology is pretty clever when I've got this grinding, drilling going on at the side that's driving me insane, and you can't hear it as I'm talking to you. That's marvelous. That's awesome. That's what I want to hear. Okay, guys, you take care, and I look forward to having a chat with you tomorrow. So once again, any oil or anything you want me to talk about in particular, excuse me, put it in the comments below or message me. And also, once again, as I said, if you just came in late, go back, watch the replay, and learn about the wonderful world of frankincense. Okay, guys, talk soon.